So we've just arrived to the island of Nusa Lembongan. It's crazy because there's like tiny little key trucks everywhere, and oh my gosh, the bikes. We're just about to get one. Don't destroy the bikes before you're on one. I don't know if you guys can see, but the water is so blue. It's like brightest blue ever. Just arrived at the Warra Warra Surf Bungalow. Hello, we're on the back of a truck right now. I'm here with Nessie. We're on our way to the island of Penida. It's a pretty big island. It's bigger than Nusa Lembongan.
When the girls go out and
boys ruin that section, but we are so excited. We're going to be getting on a boat that's going to take us to the island. It's going to be beautiful. We're so excited. Okay, so here we are in the Penida Island, and we are currently going to the Kelingking, which is apparently cliffs. I thought it was some sort of instrument that we make bracelets out of or something, but no, it's this beautiful place here. Yeah, it's pretty busy. They told us to come a bit earlier because it gets like way too crowded. I think our driver is already sick of us, but oh yeah, we keep up a ruckus in that car, but oh well.
Need to go somewhere. I'm fading in the air. Need to go somewhere to run away. Oh, to run away. Oh, to run away. How'd you fly? You are mine.
We've arrived at Kelingking. Sorry. Yeah. But look at the view. This is the view. Yeah, this is the view. We are sweaty because there are a trillion steps to climb here. We've just arrived at the Angel Blowhole. It looks really pretty. How are we finding today?
sick. Penida is awesome island. It's a lot of things to say, and I didn't look them up before coming here.
We booked a driver and they're just taking us to random locations.
Massive tourist spot. There's like just hundreds and hundreds of cars coming through.
Otherwise you want to avoid those tourists.
Not
actually,
like us.
we have it really quiet right now.
We're the good tourists, we're different.
They're staying away from us, we have the drone. Breaking news, Vanessa just learned how to front flip. Woo! Today we're sitting out on the pontoon, out in the middle of the ocean.
I couldn't design a cooler place. Like, it's floating, drinks, snorkeling, diving, surf breaks just there.
Oh,
What is it?
it's a crab.
I don't like crabs.
dogs. I mean wild dogs everywhere. And right now I'm trying to dodge them. Oh God, move. We've just been told we have to turn around, and that means I have to go up that hill. This is it. Oh my God. Guys, we survived. Nick, do you want to try some Tai Chi?
I do, yeah. I'm not a full Ubud warrior, but I'll get close.
Right now we're heading through some hidden trail, but the views are always pretty. That's the surfing spot. You paddle out to playground is the surf spot. Or you can get a boat. You can pay someone about $5 and they'll take you out to the spot, and you let them know of a time and they'll pick you up and take you right back. It's pretty cool.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high.
We've just arrived at the marina from Nusa Lembongan, and that boat ride was choppy. As you can tell, you can see my hair. However, Nessa not looking very good as a result of this trip. Hi guys. We are now on our way to our last island, Legian, so stay tuned for part 3.
We going up.